Let's tackle that super annoying unknown USB device error in Windows 11.
So if your device manager is showing this error, you've come to the right place.
Yep, there it is, right under Universal Serial Bus Controllers with that yellow mark.
You might also see error code 43. Basically, Windows has stopped the device.
But don't worry, we can fix this with a simple registry edit. Let's get right to it. Okay, first step, we've got to find your device's unique path in Device Manager.
Just right-click on that unknown device and go ahead and select Properties.
Now go to the Details tab. You're going to want to copy that whole device instance path value.
All right, with that copied, it's time for the registry editor. A quick heads up, be careful in here.
Just hit the Windows key plus R, type regedit, and press Enter to open it up.
Okay, now we're going to use that path we copied to jump right to the correct key.
So you'll want to navigate down this path all the way to the enum folder. This is exactly where you need to be, inside the registry. Now, just paste that path you copied right into the address bar and hit Enter. That'll take you straight there. Now, just click on the Device Parameters folder.
And here's the magic trick. We're going to create a new value right here. So in the right-hand panel, right-click and choose New, then DWRD 32-bit value. Yep, just like this. Select DWRD 32-bit value from that menu.
Name it exactly this: Enhanced Power Management Enabled. Spelling has to be perfect, so double-check it.
Almost there. We just need to set the value and give the PC a quick reboot. Go ahead and double-click it, and then just change the value data to 0.
Setting this to 0 turns off a power management feature that's causing the problem.
And that is it. Close the editor, restart your computer, and you're all set.